Hello guys, how are you doing today? My name is Lerato Leila M and welcome to my channel. So in this video today I just wanted to show you what I have bought from Takealot. Okay, so on Takealot I bought a jigsaw and a drill and a cordless drill. I bought it on Friday and I received it today. It's on a Monday. I bought it on the 24th. Yeah, I think 24th on a Friday, and then I received it today on the 26th on a Monday around like 11:30. Yeah, around like 11:30 midday. So this is a jigsaw that I bought from Takealot. It is so heavy, you guys. Okay, so prices I will also write for you on the screen, but I know that I got it around $2.99 a jigsaw. Yes, so I'll check for you the price so that I can be sure, and I'll make sure to put for you guys the link on the description box. So this is it's a drill. I got it with $5.49 from Takealot. It was special. It was Black Friday. Yeah, it was Black Friday, so I think maybe that's why with that price, but sometimes they do put it on that price. Yeah, sometimes, because I remember the time when I put it on my card it was $5.49, and the next time goes it was like 600 and something. Yeah, so the price, like, are changing up and down always. So yeah, this time I just got it with $5.49, and the jigsaw I got it with $2.99. So I'll put for you on the description box. And here I just wanted to show you guys, so I'm also going to do an unboxing with you. I love them so much. I am so excited. I can't wait.